The trend Worktop True Cut, the perfect solution for out of square joints. The problem is that not all kitchen walls are square. And this can be a time-consuming issue to address. Worktops often need to be scribed and cut so they fit perfectly to the walls. Using a pin after scribing can result in the joint being too long, creating a gap. The solution can be to use a packer to replace scribed material. This may result in a clean joint, but there can be situations where the joint is also out of square. Here's a traditional solution to this problem. Measuring the gap shows a 20 mm discrepancy. Lay your worktop over the joint and check the post-form corner aligns. Transfer the female joint line to the male to show the correct taper required, then remark to allow for the cutter and guide bush ratio. Align to the mark and lightly clamp. Place the router and check the tracking path against the mark line. Tap the jig to adjust as needed. Make a final check and tighten the clamps fully, then route. There is a better way. Trends Worktop True Cut, the fast, accurate and easy solution. Use the True Cut to set your jig to cut precise, out of square joints with accurate and fast results, and can be used with all 12 mm thick jigs. Simply butt the two worktops together and measure the gap. Cut the female joint as normal. Set up the male cut by making a square line as a reference datum. Fit the pins and align your jig. Fit the True Cut and position it tightly to the worktop and the edge of the jig. The True Cut and pins should be in perfect alignment. Mark the cut position and transfer the tapered measurement. Then position your jig to the marked line. The True Cut pivots from the marked point. Remove the pins and pivot the jig to the taper position. Then clamp in position, remove the True Cut and make the cut for the perfect out of square joint. The trend Worktop True Cut, the fast, accurate and easy solution for out of square joints.